Greetings from our channel once again. In this video, we will introduce you to the interesting world of terrazzo flooring and walk you through the installation of this beautiful and long-lasting flooring alternative. Since ancient times, terrazzo has been utilized as a versatile material because of its distinctive beauty and toughness. Let us begin, then. Step 1. Preparing the subfloor. Make sure the subfloor is first clean, dry, and level. Remove any dirt, leftover adhesive, and flooring materials. Use a suitable filler to patch any holes or cracks, and, if necessary, a leveling compound. Step 2. Mixing and pouring the terrazzo matrix. Mix epoxy resin or a cement-based binder as directed by the manufacturer to make the matrix. When the mixture is produced, gradually pour it onto the subfloor that has been ready. Spread the matrix uniformly and consistently with a trowel or screw. Step 3. Embedding and seating the aggregates. The colored pieces that give terrazzo its characteristic appearance are called aggregates. It's time to implant the aggregates after pouring the matrix. Spread the aggregates evenly and completely over the wet matrix. Press the aggregates into the matrix with a hand trowel or roller to make sure they are thoroughly included. Step 4. Grinding and polishing the terrazzo. It's time to polish and grind the terrazzo surface when it has dried to bring out its beauty. Start by leveling and smoothing the surface with a coarse diamond grinding pad. To get a smoother finish, gradually switch to finer grit pads. Step 5. Cleaning and maintenance. Regularly sweep or hoover the floor to get rid of dirt and trash. Spills should be quickly cleaned up to avoid stains. To preserve its sheen and safeguard the surface, clean the terrazzo with a neutral pH cleaner designed for the material. You have it now! Terrazzo flooring installation is a satisfying process that enables you to design a distinctive and lovely surface.